Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Silana ke Bhal for namhlanje la kade kudlala khona top 8 ye-GDL and also GDPL, and ngijoinwe lana one of the best development coaches, uCoach Lunga. Coach Lunga, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Okay, first of all, let me take this opportunity to thank God and also to greet all the viewers at home. I'm Coach Lunga Novella. I'm the under-13 Mamelodi Sundowns head coach.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke Coach Lunga. Awusitshele Coach Lunga, ngikubone kakhulu ngikulandela uMamelodi Sundowns sewunomnyaka ukhona. Ijeni yakho wena iqala kuphi as a coach?
Ijeni yami yaqala 2015 when I was coaching Satellite Mamelodi Sundowns. Then I was still volunteering up until I managed to get myself a contract with the club. And then I've been with the under-13 for 11 years now, coaching the under-13s of the Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club.
Coach Lunga, ababukeli bethu has produced so many players under 13. I remember this other year, 2023, bekunomfana omncane babembiza uBubble Gum. He played beautiful football. So Coach Lunga, awusho ibaluleke ngale relationship between a player and the coach, and also ama parents, involvement ama parents, because abaluleke since you are dealing with the young ones.
Yeah, it's very important to have a good relationship with my player and the parents, because when they come to the field, I become a parent to them. Yeah. And when they go home, then we must not lose also that touch of a parent. And when you have a good relationship with the parents, then it's easy to maintain also the social of the boys, because football is not only focusing on what is happening on the field. Then the social life also is very, very important, because it also influences the performance. Then when you have a good relationship with the parents, then it's easy to manage the social life of the boys. Even at school, then it's also good to build also a good relationship with the schools, so that you can also know how is he doing at school, because when he has confidence at school, he has confidence at home, then he'll give you confidence even in football. Then it's even make our life easy as coaches, for us to be able to develop them better, to make sure that we enhance each and every technical ability that they need, and even what they have, how do we improve them to be even becoming the best of it.
Siyabonga kakhulu Coach Lunga. I think suba fundise kakhulu abazali emakhaya. Coach Lunga, since ukhuluma ngendaba yesikole ne-involvement yabazali, nina njengeMamelodi Sundowns, you have players all the way from Eastern Cape and many other provinces. How do you make sure with these boys they get school and also they get a proper place to stay?
I think first of all, I need to thank the chairman of the club and the president of the club, because for the boys to be able to get these opportunities, it's because the club creates that for them, and it makes sure that it gives them a good stay, it gives them a school. Because you find that there's boys that are very talented, and as Mamelodi Sundowns, we're always looking for the best talent. And the best talent, you can even find it outside the province. And we cannot make the boys to suffer for them to come to play for Mamelodi Sundowns because of the distance. That's why the club makes sure that they give them a good accommodation. They make sure that they take them to school. They give them what we call a scholarship, for them not even to worry themselves about how they're going to go to school, how they're going to pay school fees, how they're going to travel. But we make sure that we create a good environment for them so that they can perform. And if it was not the club creating that environment, then I don't think we're going to be able to get players outside the province. But because, as I said, we're always looking for the best, then we are all over South Africa looking for the best players that one day they will not only play for Mamelodi Sundowns, but also to play for the national team.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke Coach Lunga, information ososiphe yona bazali, ningasabi ukuletha abantwana benu bazodlalela eMamelodi Sundowns, bahlala kahle, bafunde esikoleni esi-right, which produce ama-results also, because ne-education ibalulekile. We're developing kids holistically. And Coach Lunga, ama-players asemakasi asuke emabhuqini, because intwana ey'ningi endidlala ngazo sibuya khona emakasi. Injani difference from getting a raw talent ebuye ekasi and then uzoyidlalisa ku-GDL? Unjani umsebenzi okuhlalelayo wena as a coach?
I think for me now, what I can just say, I'm always out there, especially UMA tournaments.
Yeah.
I don't even enjoy my December because I'm always on the Phillies games. I'm always on the tournaments that are happening. I'm at Discovery, because that's where you'll find a raw talent, you know. And again, when I go out, I'm not looking for the talent per se, but I'm looking for the potential, because it's difficult to tell if the boy is talented when he's 11, when he's 12, when he's 13. You know, but we talk about the potential, yes, that you need to build to have to build a talent in him. You know, because if you're gonna look for a talent, then you'll end up losing a potential that it will blossom in future. Then I always look for the potential that I'm gonna work with, and then build the talent out of that potential. I normally say, whoever that builds them all, first he identify the potential of a place.
Yeah.
You understand? Then from there, he find a land. Then from there, then he builds them all that everyone is gonna enjoy. Then development is the same. First, identify the potential. Then we'll talk about the talent later.
Siyabonga kakhulu coach Lunga sowushilo sibheka i-potential ngoba ithalente likhona liningi but ne-potential injani ibalulekile. Coach Lunga siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Nawumbuzo enginawo ukugcina, how is the readiness for the next season ku-GDL? Ngiyabona nama-team amanye excitement ku-GDL this season, it's different. How is the readiness of the team as Mamelodi Sundowns?
I think the team is ready, and also just to thank the GDL by them creating this elite league for us. I'm calling it an elite league because that's where you find a lot of good teams playing against, and you can see even this season that most of the teams, they prepared very well. But also talking about us, that we are ready, we are really prepared. We started our preparation last year already, and as we speak, we already have the team for next year. That is the 12-year-olds. Then I'm always looking forward. I'm not only focusing for now. Then for me, it's all about the succession plan, and which is I'm happy with what we have now, and the team that we built is the team that will perform and go and fight for each and every game that you're gonna play, and it's the team that I believe that they will achieve a lot going forward.
Siyabonga kakhulu coach Lunga ngesikhathi sakho. Babukeli bethu ningakhohlwa to follow us on TikTok, subscribe to YouTube. We are Let's Talk Development Football. We are here to educate people about the development football of South Africa. We want to promote the development football of South Africa. Danke.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.